Look. We looking at town. I know I'll never felt this way again. Oh, 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 beautiful place here. Look at the town. Calm, relaxing, something like that. Hi, Sir William Moore. Where are we going? We're going to the church. Going to the church. Look at the place. Beautiful place here. Beautiful. Thank you for watching. What states? What states? I'm living here in Bicol Province, Philippines. Bicol Province, Philippines. How about you, Sir William Moore? Where are you from? Thank you. I'm in Greenville. What is means New Z? What is that? NC, North Carolina, something like that. Thank you. 6 people in the house. 9,000 miles away. Yes, 9,000 miles away. 1,000 miles away. Wow. 9,000 miles away from here, from there. Thank you, 8 people in the house. Thank you so much. 3 million. It's beautiful where you are at. I'm Bicol Province, Philippines. I am Bicol Province, Philippines. Look, Bicol. Thank you so much for the 8 people in the house. Thank you. Thank you for the like. province, you say yes. Province, Philippines. I'm living here in the Bicol province, Philippines. Something like. Thank you, six people. Hi. Hi, Sir Ben. Hello there, Shirley. I'm fine, Sir Ben. Shh. Girl, take a break. Take a break. Hi, Shannon. Take a break. I'm walking. I walk a lot. That's fine. I used to walk. I'm always walking. You walk and work out so much, you're gonna disappear. Yeah. Something. No, it's fine. You walk and something like it's good for exercise. Exercise. I you walk and work out, so you will be like a toothpick, something like that, something like that. But my muscles, I have a muscles even I have a toothpick. Looks like a toothpick have a muscle. Oh my god. Basically, I'm jealous. Why? It's really feel good when sweating from exercise, something like that. Sweating, walking, sweating from walk, sweating from exercise really feels so good. Thank you, Sir Ben. I drink and eat too much. This is our church here in Bicol province. You're welcome. Thank you, Sir Ben. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Hi, John Park. Mama. Hi, John Boy. Welcome back again. Thank you, John Boy. The opal. Hi, Cheryl. Hi, New Jersey. Have a nice day. How are you? Here it is. Hi. Ha? Dali ako sa San Agustin. How are you, sir? New Jersey. What's up? Great, thanks. Happy Sunday. Thank you. Happy Sunday. Have a nice day. Happy Sunday.